What is up everybody, and yesterday I gave this signal and look how it worked, just did magic, fantastic short. Yeah, I gave it in the Russian channel and people asked me for some video. Yes please, yes of course. I gave it in Russian channel since people in English are ignoring that. Just in case if you're not that ignorant, please join here and let's have some fun, cause I like to spoil with some signals and stuff. Okay, and let's get back to the normal stuff. Guys, how I ended up with this signal. I go to the 1 hour time frame and as you can see we are pretty much dropping from August 14th till yesterday and still. So my strategy was, once we broke another level, I would like to use this thing, fixed range volume profile. You can find it here on TradingView, it's free. You go here and what I did, I just went here and once I saw this point of control. What is point control? Point of control is showing us how many orders were and where were executed, and here I can see that it's actually showing me that a lot of big players were playing here with Bitcoin, because here are some noobs who got liquidated, here are also some noobs, but here is the major volume and you can see most of them were buying but price went against them. GG. How I ended up with this level? Of course, POC, point of control. If we're still dropping, most likely we will continue to drop, and here I saw this point of control. In fact, it looked like that. And once I saw that, let me switch to 12 minutes because that was the time frame I was giving. And once it worked, this magic, people were obsessed with this thing. Yeah, you just basically select the range, you move your fixed range volume profile from the beginning of the range until the actual point of the time where you are at, and you just take it sell. And once I took a sell, I put my stop loss right above this thing, and this is how it worked. What I would expect now, for example, here we dropped another thing. What we are doing, we are trading at the point of control. So far it's kind of dangerous because we are at the major liquidity zone. You see, we took all this liquidity, and if we don't want to fall back, price will go to retrace to at least this level or maybe to this level, and after that it might dump, of course. But the thing is, right now we are at the support zone, and support zone is something that can just break the structure, and we might just go straight to this and higher. So, and if we have some complications here to select where to draw our tool from, I would like to show you something special. Look at that guys, it's CRV coin, and here this is where it dumped. What I want to do, I just want to go with this tool from here to here. It'll show me point of control, and I would expect this price to get here. I will go short and it'll flush here. That's my expectation, and I just want to see that, especially if you move it back here and back here, you will see how it worked. It did some magic. So that's my analysis, and I hope guys you enjoyed this simple tutorial. Please try your best on demo first and then go to the production, because you don't want to lose money without doing and having some practice. I hope you enjoyed. Hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.